Hi, welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your inoperable heated seat by yourself. So I have a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country and my driver's side heated seat, it's not working. So it would turn on for 3 seconds and then it would shut off. And as you can see, passenger side is working normally. Also heated steering wheel is working normally. Doesn't turn off, but driver side will be on for 3 seconds and it will turn off. This will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans from 2008 up to 2020 and Chrysler Town & Countries from 2008 up to 2016, and of course if you have heated seats. 99% of the time the problem is in the heated seat pad itself. I'm gonna show you the easiest and fastest way how to remove your heated seat pad from the seat without removing the whole seat out or without removing this cushion out. So first, I already took it out, but I'm gonna show you now how I did it. So first off, you wanna unclip those plastic clips. You have 2 in the bottom and you have 1 in the middle. Once you unclip those, then you have to unplug 2 plugs, the green one and the gray one. Once this is unplugged, you'll find you can just you'll have to remove cushion cover from here up, but not all the way. You can remove it up to that point, but then you can see your pad, heated pad, right here. So like I said, I already removed it. It's not hard to remove it. It's basically glued on 2 sides here and here. So basically you wanna pull the wires from here and then just remove it. Once when you have heating pad out, you wanna inspect your wires. So in my case, I'll just show you here, my problem was that this connection between this black wire and the little tiny wire, you can see, I'll try to zoom it, that's right here, that one. So the connection was loose, very loose, and I just connected this properly. I also did a better connection on the other one as well. I'm showing here the better picture of that. So basically you have 2 thicker black wires and 2 thinner, and usually the problem is in those wires, they get disconnected or the connection is very weak. Once you have those wires fixed and properly connected, before you put the heat pad back in the seat, you want to test it if it works. So you'll have to plug it back in. So it's all plugged up, and now we're gonna test it if it works. Let's start the vehicle and let's see. Problem fixed. So the light stays on. I'm just gonna double check if it's heating up. Yeah, it's getting warm. It's fixed and it works. Yeah, we're gonna try it one more time before install it back in the seat. It stays on and it works. Before you put it back on in the seat cushion, you want to make sure you apply some cloth spray adhesive where the pad was glued. So in my case I'm gonna use this kind of spray adhesive. It's good for foam, fabrics, carpets, like cloth, so I believe this should work. So we are putting it back in the seat cushion. First you wanna push those wires through this seat, and then you wanna make sure that it's lined up where it was before. And after it's all lined up, I'm gonna spray cloth adhesive right here on that foam and up here. So I sprayed it down with cloth spray adhesive. It's all lined up nicely. I push this side inside the cloth. Now before we put the cloth back on, we're just gonna double check if it still works. Perfect. Still works. And it's warm, it's heating up. I push the cloth back inside, and now on this side you wanna just clip back in. Now I'm gonna clip everything back how it was, so make sure those wires, those connections are covered with that. And now I'm gonna just clip it in, and the other side. Now we're gonna clip that one in. One goes right in the middle. Now everything is clipped back in, and I'm just gonna double check again if heated seat is still working. I hope so, it does. Perfect. It stays on and it's heating up. So this was a kind of quick and lazy way to do it, but I really didn't see the point of taking the whole seat out and then taking the whole cushion apart. So yeah, anyway, it's working and job is done. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like it and please subscribe to my channel.